The M18 2-gallon wet dry vacuum provides users with a powerful and portable wet, dry cleanup tool. A high-performance motor creates powerful suction for both wet and dry applications. Its stackable design and organized onboard storage keep all of the attachments inside the unit for convenient transport and storage. It comes with a flexible hose, crevice tool, utility nozzle, and a certified HEPA filter. With 30+ minutes of runtime on an M18 REDLITHIUM High Demand 9.0 battery pack, it's ideal for extended spot and area cleanup, working on all Milwaukee 18-volt slide-on batteries. Li-ion or NICT, the wet, dry vacuum offers long continuous runtime and high air power and suction to provide quick and easy removal of dust, debris, and water. A washable, reusable wet, dry filter using CleanStream 1 filtration technology delivers excellent fine dust collection and does not need to be changed between wet and dry applications. The stackable 2-pound SOX design, onboard hose and accessory storage offer excellent portability and convenience. A built-in blower port allows the vacuum to double as a blower, and the 1/4-inch hose allows standard vacuum attachments to be fastened. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Power source type, battery powered. Number 2. Works on all Milwaukee 18-volt slide-on batteries, Li-ion or NICD. Number 3. The powerful motor provides strong suction and airflow. Number 4. The toolbox design provides easy transport and storage. Number 5. Includes onboard accessory and hose storage. Number 6. Features built-in blower port and reusable wet, dry filter ideal for both wet and dry applications. HEPA rated high efficient filter. Number 7. Works on all Milwaukee 18-volt slide-on batteries, Li-ion or NICT. Number 8. The powerful motor provides strong suction and airflow. Number 9. The toolbox design provides easy transport and storage. Number 10. Includes onboard accessory and hose storage. Number 11. Features built-in blower port and reusable wet, dry filter ideal for both wet and dry applications. HEPA rated high efficient filter. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.